The top stories. Government of Manipur dubs Mary Kom as Meethoi Leima. Review on Thoubal multipurpose project condemned. And trends show Congress party ahead in Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and locked in a tantalising seesaw battle in Madhya Pradesh. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Government of Manipur dubs six-time world champion Mary Kom as Meethoi Leima. The state government felicitated the magnificent Manipur pugilists for the grand success in the world boxing arena. Chief Minister N. Biren also gave an incentive amount of 10 lakh rupees to Mary Kom. Speaking at the felicitation, Chief Minister N. Biren said a road will be named after her in Lamphel.
Game village tabadu adusu Mary Kom gi mingda akoi cabinet na approve torka na magi mingda tholani haibadu maga adumaina lokthok charage state government na su hojik leidiba Khumalampak ki main stadium football gi leidiba main stadium akoi laiba tarik tara ga tareta nangai akoi tender gi kari gi process ta leibani already funding Honorable Prime Minister na pirapa one time handagi ko yarmak torga laikrabani main stadium tarik tara tareta jatra hungadaba 20.28 crore gi adugumba flood light ki tarik tara tareta jatra hulaga saba horni adagi hockey stadium hockey si nuai te hantak moi ama ani dagi hana yaudre hanadi International Olympic ta karida koi ahum mari ahum ani ahum yoram mari adai koi masim handara e ado kari gino practice ground kari koi da kari wat pramadu ai hockey association ga tor kana tanari kana tana na batoge aduga stadium sigi koi ji floodlight ki da mukta koi already tender ke pura loire adu sisu 17 na jata hulagani aduga koi football gi da astro truck koi na thani hai ke balangjing so bogi 10.14 crore ki sisu laiba taik tara treta ekoi jatra hulaga khara masidi kainoni koi quality compromise to we have ponate koi reputed farm Germany gumba somdagi contact onoga tongna physiat sina matamdu da maitai ning thona palaga lainga lakhibagi madugi physiat oibe bani but piriba title si maitai gi dress nate Manipur gi ningtho Maharani dugi angamba ngambina setpa dugi dress ne ko ne recognize tor piri se aduna interpret to goda lana satna bani ne haise laibak amagi oiba status laibak amagi oiba respect zati mayam sigi oiba pun magi respect to ninga se ko ne mangonda piri se.
On the other hand, Mary Kom said she is very albaram to have been honored by giving her the name Meethoi Leima.
Nasi sanaroi sing mayam laye ay noida ay na hiding budi patient lairagadi noi namtha ningai kanasu nataragana wana namthagadawa mi se pakna lairoi nangnabu determination hard work will aduga discipline sigi rule khuding makse nang follow tawang amlagadi asigidi nangi feel da kanana su namthagadawa ngam ba mil lairoi haibasi ai noinda hiding.
Congratulating Mary Kom for her recent gold medal, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Letpao Hockey wished her for success in the 2020 Olympics as well.
Mary da akhoy yamna nungai haiba wahe sidi hilna wahe atupa phangde aduna ma bu thagat paibo akoi gi ngamkhai leitena thagat pai chini aduna tungdasu magi dream lady 2020 gi Tokyo Olympic ta mai pakpa oina ba akoi mayamna sojok pigani prathana tawgani nangnasu practice kan tawduna mai pakpa purakpa oisanu langasigi asumba function da nangsu harau rau laktana akoi gi haibu Manipur sarkar amadi Manipur gi praja gi mipum khuding makki on behalf tegi Mary akhoina ngamkai leitena thagat chai
Thoubal Multipurpose Project Neglected Area Agricultural Development Organization expressed their dissatisfaction over not mentioning anything about irrigation of Lamlai areas in the review given by Chief Minister N. Biren and Water Resources and Minor Irrigation. A joint meeting will be convened to discuss the matter. General Secretary of the organization, Telem Dara said the total area of paddy field is in 60 villages of Lamlai is 12,140 hectares. Construction of Thoubal and Dolai Thabi dams took about 40 years. However, there is no proper drainage system for the dams.
India government Manipur government doubling of the farmer income man high masi kamai tawduna akoi implement tawbadagi masi sam kamai yahobadagi haibasida lamai madagi oinadi isingni problem se masi natana lam yamna pak chawna lei mi marang kaina lei adu thabuk subino mi se adi mating marang kai re adu phan thadabina ba bank adu agency mayamum so koi thimujare tawbadu ising si laktabana maram merga leitabana maram merga koi kari kumam to ga se masi government da khambiyu haidna koina yamna nena ta ba mongda yamna lebak macha ta na koi chamhin jabani.
Counting of votes for assembly seats in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Mizoram began early morning, and after several rounds, trends show the Congress party ahead in Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan and locked in a tantalizing seesaw battle in Madhya Pradesh. The BJP is in power in all these three Hindi hardland states, but that's not even half the plot of a political thriller that's unfolding in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. The trends have called for the BJP and Congress to reach out to the independents and the BSP to help them take a claim to form a government in the states. Stay tuned with IndiaToday.in for the latest updates on who will form the governments and how. Orange Festival 2018, which began on December 8, was concluded with glitters and extravaganza at lower ground of Tamenglong district headquarters yesterday. Selina Saikom was crowned the Orange Queen, while Selina Chanu and TK Darshini were first and second runners-up respectively. As part of the closing ceremony, Gaigo Blue was awarded largest producer of oranges in the festival, whereas the second highest producer award went to Gai Chong Liu, both from Sivilong village, and third place went to Ram Kilyuna of Chendai village.
Thank you, contestant number 3 and 8, for being in the top 5 finalists. You may please.
A 3-day state-level training program on giving more profit to fishermen by producing more fishes was kicked off at ICAR complex. The training program was organized by NABARD under the sponsorship of ICAR Research Complex for NEH Region Manipur. Those who spoke at the inaugural function of the training program emphasized on the fact that many fishermen can't reach the target of producing 1,500 kilograms of fishes in an area of 1 acre when it is possible to produce 7,000 kilograms. As such, the fishermen should work harder with sheer dedication to achieve the goal.
Even policy plan farmers actual farmers aduna ekhoi area da hojik ekhoi pa da 1000 kan se pari da 1000 kg gum puthokpa 1500 na by average adu 1000 ba puthokpa se yang wan puthoe ekhoi ni yam kan yo da su yawe adu bu ekhoi gi productivity di koi 7000 ba kg ba puthokpa adu ngami phajana ekhoi na hona da di systematically ekhoi na pukri jing semba adegi ekhoi gi ising je phalaba adegi ekhoi na nga gi thadariba nga macha sing se aphaba makhal gi nga macha thadadana madegi magi ratio do sapchana thadadana adegi machinjak si chang kakna aphaba machinjak bijadana tau taraga.
Times of Manipur TOM-TV, the first ever private satellite channel of Manipur which is aired on Tata Sky, is telecasting news and various entertainment programs not only in Manipur but in 43 countries around the globe. As such, Times of Manipur TOM-TV occupies a platform in the world media. Many political leaders, including Chief Minister and Biren and his Council of Ministers and MLAs, expressed their views on the channel's accomplishment.
I'm encouraging koi maram di Manipur gi leiriba pauchi pikpanina adugi northeast ki a corner daga leire kanam tana thawa yobiramba ubiramba leite Manipur da kai thoi geje huji phau su khangde Manipur Delhi da phammi ba Bombay da phammi ba atai da leiriba singna what actually happening inside Manipur is governments to the kayam wai wa de permission na kayam wai wa de praja sing kayam wai wa de kana su khangde adubu tom gumma ma thol akhanda Times of Manipur natra tawra khanda pithribi phumda uhla ise si yam achouba achievement in lawi ado aina ai sodo khorami sustain toba fajana chathaba ngambo yo aduga koi government ge site ge su whatever ekoi na kari mating pang ngamba ge do ekoi su mating pang ani sam encouraging way
lamjingba Times of Manipur nam no boina satellite channel ama koi ge news gi channel ama launch of si yam sengna aigi wakal dadi masi na yamna part breaking weba habdi Manipur gi koi gi mapande leiba Manipur gi koi gi music na Manipur kari tori particularly koi gi localized news sing kari sing kam yam taning ba yobudo hari ba channel sina madugi gi award pado men kalagani haina ay adu mathajai adu hari ba kanu si channel si Tata Sky da gi through the thadok tuna Nipu Mari country the su Pangan Gray, and Kambada, Masidagi, and a Pangalaki and a Kali, Maikadigi, Highway Channel, Asi Yamna successful, Oina can look the su Pangtok Nova, Aduma, a story.
Pikraba, Manipur State, tourism gi, the culture, the sports, the Yamna Masak Nine, a lady, Pick State, but a mamma national gi lady news channel singsina mapung phana uthok tana adi petribi gi focus torom da budu tom na sigi thabak se local puda Manipur si saktak pada khwai dagi adi mangjin thana sangsil lagani haibi thaja budu thamjari adunu madumak su oibo orsno mai pak poi biro tom su
media se khwai dagi hena chaw makhil wipen mane kulai mane namti amanga communicate over thought exchange over the vision exchange over se madada akoi mapan gi lam singa akoi communicate over ya bi podam lakwa se da media sa chaw makhil podam goi ba amasang lai ding makhil gi anoba new channel sina mapan gi to country me am da su swainto lenamak yengba ya bi khon mam lakwa se da akoi khodam nungai hawa have time it is very excellent aduga I really encourage the new channel.
Times of Manipur have channel sina ten khaba matam tha ni sigi manungda prithvi ki tongan ba country ni phum loida sigi channel sigi broadcasting asi yon bangam kre achaw achievement amani yamna chawthok chanangai oiba adugumba mikup amani ana haijabatare masigi channel sigi mapana Manipuri haiba jati ase prithvi mafam khudimak ta masak takpa soidra ngamnagani haibase ai thajabani Manipur da leriba any kind of issue ekhoina Manipur sida sum nation na level mahota da koina tahaningba ohoningba metropolitan cities in Delhi Bombay Kolkata na chingma pham khudimak ta yahonba gamaga ekhoi issue mayam sing ase ekhogi India da na tar world ma pham khudimak ta ekhoi soidana yahonba ngamgani haibase chinen sing ma pan ngamgani ase masi ai chawthok chaningai oi aina aroibada ishwar mafam du khuram jari mayam punamak ta gi support ni jari ishwar su thaujan pibi dana harba channel ase mapangan kana akhoi masamo khingna akhoi seba tobangam ba oishunu oigani habi thajabasu lai haiba afum se thamjani.
Just breaking in, the 3 abducted employees of Shibalaya company have been rescued safely. Well, let's take a short break.
Lengsin Biraksi Pravia Emporium Iramdamgi Iyongda Sajaba Ningti Zaraba Fizo Singh Fige Rani Wangkai Inafi Silk Half Amadi Full Sari Amasung Atay Makal Matel Kayagi Fajaraba Nupi Singi Oiba Fizo Singh Kongbigani. Pravia Emporium, Singjamai Chingamathag near Gemon Gas Building.
Welcome back after the break. A powerful IED was found placed at the residence of Sapam Radha, wife of late Sapam Tiken of Hairangoi Thong Awanglekai, under the jurisdiction of Singjamai Police Station last night. The remote control IED, which weighed more than 5 kg, was detonated safely by Manipur Police Disposal Squad at Game Village, Lamphel Path around 9:30 this morning. Sabhabati Association of Manipur caught 4 persons who were collecting money from different persons in the name of the association, while 2 others escaped. The incident took place at the residence of Laisram Somendra of Wangkai Thangapad. The culprits have been identified as Sinam Santa, Akoizam Roman, Ahibam Jiten and Moirangthem Ramananda from Yairipok, Bistunaha. Namerakom Mani and Akoizam Premjit from Yairipok, Bistunaha are the ones who escaped. According to reports, 6 persons have been collecting money in the name of the association for opening a coaching center called Yairipok, Bistunaha on pretext of benefiting sports persons. The gang collected a sum of 7,000 rupees from Laisram Somendra. The culprits were handed over to the police. In an exclusive meeting with Tom TV News, President of Manipur State Congress Party, T. N. Haukip said that BJP does not act according to their words. It is clear that the BJP governance has cheated on the public. And this is the reason that BJP is facing defeat in the assembly elections of 5 states. Blaming BJP for giving false promises, the Congress leader said the BJP rule is coming to an end.
BJP na uida padaba Wamaya Mama social media ki through the media power da engage toraga machin thiba mayam duna 2014 da India gi voter mayam se biful toba adubu chahi mari makhai lakpa matung da di Shakespeare na haibado you can fool some of the people some of the time, you can also fool all of the people all of the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. Haibadu lakpra haina lowi makhoi gi misrule aduga makhoi na promise toba pi banga moidaba manifesto makhoi na vision haibra political vision haiba mayam do machin thi banina public na hujik reject toba hora abani. This is the beginning of the end for BJP and RSS.
Education Minister T.H. Radhesyam today flag off a team of students from SSA office Babupara for the upcoming national level Kala Utsav 2018, which will be held on 12th of this month at Bal Bhavan in New Delhi. Speaking at the flag off, the minister said the main aim of the upcoming event is to provide a platform for young students to showcase their hidden talents. He also wished the participants for a grand success.
Our young minds, young boys and girls, they have been doing well in all the fields, in spite of limited resources and also infrastructure. So this time also again they have performed well, and they have reached the national level. They are going to perform, and we have given our best wishes. As I said, we have wonderful young people here. They are going for the drama competition to participate in the Kala Utsav. So I think they will come back with a lot of good achievements because of our. They belong to the land of Manipur. I mean, people of Manipur, jewels. So they will perform.
President of Ima Kondong Lairembi Thoubal and Pulindro has said that the property of Ima Kondong Lairembi was passed down by the ancestors to Meithois.
Second World War mamang dagi Meithoi gi ipai pusinga kalambalam ni masi 1997 da matam dugi naga ku gi irang da Mori da Tamengon district gi Okul district gi lakiba ku ki mayang gi jum lejadaba singi lam PB waidana ICC Hill Travel Council More Meithoi Council More Ima Kondong Lairembi Thoubal amasung Mori da lam lejadaba matamduda lakiba tribal sing party marina shoi tawnadana sidagi lam henjanaroi sedana February ki tarik 1997 da demarcation tawdana ahlam punamaki shoi tawnadana leinaba lamni masi Meithoi gi asengba lamni mafam sida isagi lamda Ima Kondong Lairembi gi sebari mayam dubu sangnaba mi khara khundana bajum kara sajage tawbani akoi gi pata lamni 1988 da mafamsi a small town committee nasu pata longthokibada ward number 9 village number 95 ki no objection certificate chu leiribani adna masigi asengba khangninga badi Moreda Hill Travel Council Meithoi Council aruga Kondong Lairembi committee aru matamdugi lam lejataba soi tawgiba mi mayam do loina ma hingi maduga makoi puni makka janaraga ekona zum sabagi khongthang si sangen jarakpani haina miyam da sengdoksa wafam sigi matang da akoi gi mafam manang khangna che chang le taba tu kumena ma tasu le taba mi singna priyas ta pangi te inara pasina leiba ki irang thohalakpa yabagi khudong thiba leire khangninga badi Hill Tribal Council officer salaga mamutta na hangbiru chu matamdugi soi taba mi singdo loina me hingi bani hauji
President of Shiv Sena M. Tombi has expressed strong condemnation against the act of constructing houses along the Imphal-More road to claim compensation from the government. He was talking to media persons at a tree plantation program held at More Hospital and on IB campus of More Police.
पब्लिक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट ने अच्छा काम किया हमारा उसका एक ही दिक्कत ऐसे कि हमारे एक पुल हमारा जो है हमारा टेनाफुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट का जो है हमारा जो सुपर हाईवे इंटरनेशनल हाईवे जो बनाने के लिए वो पुल का जरा है ब्रिज का जरा प्रॉब्लम है वो जरा हटा गया तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। और आज हमारे शिवसेना के नेतृत्व हमारे जो शिवसेना मणिपुर का जो हमारा राज्य प्रमुख हमारा तोम्बी सिंह के नेतृत्व में मोरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जियोन वैंग वार्ड नंबर 7 का जो है म्यूनिसिपल हॉस्पिटल में आज हम लोग ने ट्री प्लांटेशन में जो काम करते हैं वो हमारे ग्रीन मणिपुर करने के लिए हम लोग बहुत प्रयत्न करता हूँ। ये हम हमारा सक्सेस करके बैठेंगे। ये हमारा सब शिवसेना के सैनिकों का मदद है। हमारा सारा मणिपुर जो है जनता के लिए हमारे शिवसेना ने अच्छा काम करते हैं, आगे करते रहेंगे। जय हिंद जय मणिपुर।
अमना अखोई हुजिकी लंबी की नागियता अखोई की लेरिबा नेशनल super international highway number 2 semgolakpada double lane triple lane semgolakpada moigi yum sing adu shoga compensation phangnabagi wakhalon oibra natraga kari wakhalon no khodak khodak oibe yum saba aduga flight ki yum saga flight to the check sana check na saba mana na check yekpa sigumba khoigi hera feri haiba tare sigumba masigumba se masi bharat sarkar ki aduga manipur sarkar ki mangningai oiba adugumba pot oibnina shiv sena ki magi digi government ki min na kong oina ba masi ki message sim ga pijare loina na blind corner da maru oina sik gari si imphal om digi lakhu oro mori om digi chapo ki bu oro haiba adugumba yum sing aduna blind corner oihandana adu blind corner oihandana kari gum da khuna do digi khudong thidana misi mi siba ya ba khudong thibi ya ba thokpugi yamna nakna lei maramaduna sigumba si state government na masi yam yengsen bio loina na haiba issue simakse akoi leiriba garangi holen phai ki aduga leiriba national highway super international highway number 2 ki road ki both side ta akoi ki sajal leiba blind corners oihanba adugumba yumsa compensation phangnaba tactics to se masi akoi handaki lakdu monsoon akoi ki winter season da akoi parliament puthokna masi ki sab saba kanoma akoi state government.
A free medical camp was held in at Uchatol Jiribam District Hospital under the Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Mantriva Abhiyan PMSA. Many health specialists made free medical checkups and counseling available to pregnant women. Let's take a short break once again.
Watch Life and Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Coming soon, only on Tom TV.
Welcome back. A day after Urjit Patel resigned as RBI Governor, Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar said the central bank's institutional capabilities are very strong and it will do whatever is required for the markets and economy. Kumar further said, although Patel has done an amazing work in the last 2 years as RBI governor, the functioning of the central bank is not dependent on any particular individual. RBI's institutional capabilities are very strong and they will do whatever is required for the markets and economy. The fact is that RBI itself is such a professional institution and such a long-standing institution that you know the business will continue, Kumar said on the sidelines of an event here. Patel, who had a run-in with the government over autonomy of the central bank, resigned from his job on Monday, citing personal reasons. The centre has rejected the Karnataka government's proposal seeking legal recognition for Lingayats as a distinct religion. Taking into account the views of the Union Home Ministry and the National Commission for Minorities, it may not be possible for the ministry to accede to the request of the government of Karnataka, Deputy Secretary Satya Prakash said in a letter dated November 13 submitted to the Karnataka High Court on Monday. The letter said the centre had considered the recommendation It cited the 1871 census and added Lingayats, which account for Karnataka's 14 population, were recognized as Hindus. The latter noted the scheduled caste communities are also part of the Lingayats sectorate. It added these communities will lose their scheduled caste status, which entitles them to the reservation in jobs and education if Lingayats get the status of a separate religion. The High Court disposed of a petition against the state government's proposal. In view of the latter, the state government has set a notification recognizing Lingayats as a separate religion would come into effect only after the centre's assent. Let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
Express.
Government firm against rights violations, says Chief Minister. 4 killed as car plunges into gorge. Congress rolls out red carpet for Joy others. Chief Minister office demands bank account details. VK Singh lays down rider for visa on arrival.
Imphal Free Press.
Ministry of External Affairs doing their best to facilitate visa on arrival facility between India and Myanmar. Joy Kishan mockingly hints Biren should get his head examined. BJP government at center and state are a serious threat to Indian democracy, says Okram Joy. International Human Rights Day observed.
The Morning Bell.
Boost for Congress. 32 political leaders and workers join party. Congress only party that can save India, says Okram Joy. Abusing government on social media constitute human rights violation, says Chief Minister. Dilapidated bridge on gateway to Southeast Asia needs attention, says Shiv Sena. 10 solar lamps dedicated to public at Malom. World Human Rights Protection Association observes Human Rights Day. Kaizenglang rescue at Kaksin Kuno.
The People's Chronicle.
Forcible Hornbill Fest upsets Tungjoy villagers. Reserve Bank of India Chief Urjit Patel quits. Chief Minister moods low to silence social media reigns in heroes. MLA Joy Kishan questions Chief Minister Biren's mental state.
Manipur Mail.
International Human Rights Day. Orange Festival concludes. Retail outlet markets open.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Government of Manipur dubs Maricom as Meethoi Leima. Review on Thoubal multipurpose project condemned. Trends show Congress party ahead in Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and locked in a tantalising seesaw battle in Madhya Pradesh. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for being with us.